Good day to all of you children. Today we have to do some practical sums on sets. Before going on to them, let us see some formulae. Children, supposing there are two sets A and B. This is the universal set. This is the set A and this is the set B, supposing. You know this is only A region, A minus B, or A intersection B dash, any one thing. This is only B region, B minus A, or B intersection A dash. And this is A and B region, A intersection B. And this full is A union B. And this region outside is A union B full dash, outside A union B. So supposing there are X elements here, Y elements here, Z elements here, and W elements over here. I want to find the number of elements of A union B. We know it is X plus Y plus Z. Total elements in A union B. Total elements in A union B, X plus Y plus Z. If you think NA union B will be NA plus NB, let us see what happens. A means what? Number of elements in A, that is X plus Y. NB means number of elements in B, that is Y plus Z. So this will become X plus 2Y plus Z, whether we want only X plus Y plus Z. Therefore, we subtract A intersection B, which is Y, and so minus Y. That becomes X plus Y plus Z. And therefore, please remember the formula. NA union B will be NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So just like two sets, NA plus NB minus NA intersection B, for three sets, what will be the formula? See, we are having universal set and three sets like this: 1, 2, and 3. A, B, C. X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, and N. And supposing here there are N elements. Children, please understand very clearly. X means only A, Y means only B, Z means only C. So if you are asked only one set means X plus Y plus Z. Only one set. It can be either A or B or C. The number of elements present only in one set, that will be X plus Y plus Z. P is the elements present only in A and B. See, this region is A and B, but in this much region C is also there. So this much region will be only A and B. P, number of elements P, only A and B. This is A and B, but this is only A and B. There is a difference, I told you. Only what is important. I teach you physics and I teach you only physics. There is a difference. When I say I only teach you physics, means I don't teach you any other subject. When I say I teach you physics, I may be teaching you other subjects. So there is a difference when you use the word only. A and B will be P plus M, but only A and B will be P elements. Similarly, B and C will be M plus R. Only B and C will be R. M plus Q will be A and C. Q will be only A and C. And this will be A and B and C. So elements present only in one set, X plus Y plus Z. Elements only in two sets, P plus R plus Q. Only what? Only in two sets means this. Present in two sets means P plus M plus R plus Q. Two sets. Two means they can be 2 or 3 or 4 like this. So if I want number of elements in A union B union C, I know it is X plus Y plus Z, P plus Q plus R plus Z. But the formula goes like this: NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus NA intersection B intersection C. Now let us check. NA means what? X plus P plus M plus Q. X plus P plus M plus Q. Okay. NB means what? Y plus P plus M plus R. C means Z plus Q plus M plus R. A intersection B, P plus M. So minus P minus M. B intersection C, minus M minus R. C intersection A, minus M minus Q and plus M. Let us check, children. P and P gone. M, 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 R, R. Then Q and Q gone. Then minus M and plus M gone. What remains? X plus P plus M, Q, R, Z. So write it nicely. Cx plus Y plus Z, P, Q, R, and then M. So x plus y plus z, p plus q plus r and plus m. We get this. So therefore, NA union B union C will be NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus NABC. So after knowing these formulae, let us start. If you do by Venn diagrams, they will be very easy. And remember, whenever we do by Venn diagram these practical questions, first of all, you should fill up the intersection region. Always first fill up the intersection region to go by this method. So I'll take few examples. It is given that if X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements. So number of elements in X union Y is 50. Okay. X has 28 elements. Y has got 32 elements. How many elements N X intersection Y have got? So let us make it, children. This is X. This is Y. I told you always first fill up the intersection region. Supposing there are X elements over here. Because it is not given how many elements are there in X intersection Y. So we assume X elements over here. X has got 28 elements. So in this much region, 28 elements. X already here. So here how much remains? 28 minus X. In Y we have got 32 elements. Already X over here. So here remains 32 minus X. And this plus this plus this is full A union X union Y. And that is given to us as 50. Total elements are 50, it is told to us. So I write 50 is equal to 28 minus x plus 32 minus x. From here I get x. So easy. Okay, then. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach maths or physics. 12 teach maths, 4 teach both maths and physics. How many teach physics? So we make two sets of M and B representing maths and physics like this. It is said 20 teachers who teach maths or physics. So maths or physics means M union B. Total inside is 20. 12 teach maths. 12 teach maths. 4 teach both. 4 intersection. How many teach physics? So intersection is 4. Always first fill up intersection region. Maths is 12. So total 12. So here 8 people. And supposing X over here. So this plus this plus this will be total M union B, and that is 20. So 20 becomes 8 plus 4 plus X. X will be 8. So there are 8 people over here. So how many teach physics? 8 plus 4, 12. How many teach only physics? 8 people. How many teach only maths? 8 people. Then, in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. So, cricket is played by 24 people. First, number of elements in the class, and U, that is 35 students. Number of students in the class, that is the universal set, that is 35 elements. Cricket is played by 24 people. Football is liked by 16. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. But there is no student who does not play neither cricket nor football. Everybody plays at least one game. So, if I draw like this, the Venn diagram, what I mean to say, this is set of cricketers and this is set of footballers. This is universal set. No student will be outside this region. Everybody is inside, either playing cricket or football. Any student here will mean he is neither playing cricket nor football. But it is said every student is playing either football or cricket. At least one game he is playing. So here there are 0 elements outside. Understand? So when U is 35, inside plus outside will be 35. Here 0, so now inside is 35. And now this becomes for me N, C union F. Because all are inside, that will be N, C union F. So again intersection is not given, supposing 16. Cricketers 24. So this will be 24 here, so this will be 24 minus X. Footballer 16 total, here X, so here 16 minus X. And total of these 25. So 24 minus X plus X minus is equal to 35. From here I get what is X. You will realize if you do by Venn diagrams it is very easy. Please pause and copy. See children, then in a survey of 400 students in a school, total students are 400, that is universal set. So NU is equal to 400. 100 were listed taking apple juice. So apple people are 100. Orange juice 75, 150 sorry. And 75 were listed as taking both apple and orange both. So apple and orange both, that is 75. How many were taking neither apple nor orange? Outside we want. That means we want A union O dash, means outside apple and outside orange region. So A union O dash. Those number of students will be neither taking orange juice nor apple juice. You have to understand what we are being asked. See, if I make a Venn diagram like this is for apple and this is for orange. This is universal set. Anybody inside will be either taking apple juice or orange juice. Anybody outside will be neither taking apple juice nor orange juice. We want this region. And this is outside A union O, therefore A union O whole dash we want. Okay. Number of people taking both 75. I told you always mark first the intersection region. If it is not given, mark it as X. Apple is liked by 100 people, 75 here, so here remain 25. Orange 150 people, 75 here, so remaining are 75. Supposing X are people who are neither taking apple nor orange. So this plus this plus this plus this will become total U, that is 400. So I write like this, 25 plus 75 plus 75 plus X equal to 400, I will get X. Number of people, number of students neither taking orange juice nor apple juice. Okay. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. So totally there are 200 people who are having skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to chemical C1. So people with chemical C1, that is 120. Number of people exposed to chemical 2, that is 50. And number of people exposed to both, that is given to me 30. Find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not C2. Now understand properly. C1 but not C2. So intersection C2 dash means only C1. We want C1, we don't want C2. So we want only C1. C1 intersection C2 dash. Chemical C2 but not chemical C1. So C1 dash intersection C2. We want chemical 2 and not C1 and not, therefore intersection. We want C1 and we don't want C2. So and means intersection. Therefore intersection. Chemical C1 or chemical C2. So C1 or C2. Let us draw over here, children. Universal set C1, C2. See, both exposure is 30. Always first fill up the intersection region. C1 has 120 people, 120, so 90 here. C2 has 50 people, so 30 here, 20 here. 90 plus 30, 120 and 140. How many people are there totally? 200. So this is how much? 140. Total are 200, so here will be 60. So people, these are the people neither exposed to C1 nor exposed to C2. They are 60 people. This is only C1. This is only C2. And C1 or C2 means union. This plus this plus this. What do I write? From Venn diagram I can see C1 intersection C2 dash. Only C1, that is 90. Not C1 and C2. So that is this. We want C2 but we don't want C1. So only C2 means that is 20. And N C1 union C2. 90 plus 30 plus 20. That is 140. Okay. Please pause and copy. See children. X and Y are two sets such that X has got 17 elements, Y has got 23 elements. The number of elements in X is 17, number of elements in Y is 23, and number of elements in X union Y, that is 30. So we have to find X intersection Y. How much? So please see X and Y. Intersection is not given, so I write it X over here. X has got 17 elements. X gone here, so here remains 17 minus X. Y has got 23 elements, X gone over here, so 23 minus X. And this plus this plus this will be total X union Y, which is 30. So I write 17 minus X plus X plus 23 minus X equal to 30. I will come to know X, which is A intersection B or X intersection Y, number of elements. Okay. X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 18 elements. Number of elements in X union Y, that is 18. X has 8 elements. Y has 15 elements. What are the number of elements in X intersection Y? Children, very easy. Yes? X and Y. So this is supposing X. X has got 8 elements, X over here, so remaining are 8 minus X. Y has got 15 elements, X over here, so remaining are 15 minus X. And this plus this is total union of X union Y, and that is 18. So what do I write? 8 minus X plus 15 minus X equal to 18. I come to know what is X. Then, in a group of 400 people, so there is a group of 400 people, and U is 400. 250 can speak Hindi. The number of people speaking Hindi is 250. 200 can speak English. 200 can speak English. How many can speak both Hindi and English? How many can speak both means H intersection E? How many people? Children, again it is same only. We can take two sets, H and E. Supposing there are X people over here, and it should be given, children, that every person can speak either Hindi or English. That means there is no person who can neither speak in Hindi nor English, then only this will be 0 over here. And therefore this plus this will be 400, and now U will be N of A union B, because it should be given every person can speak at least one language. Okay, so this is X. Hindi has got 250 people, so remaining will be 250 minus X. English has got 200 people, so here there will be 200 minus X. Sum of these will be 400. So 250 minus x plus 200 minus x, that will be 400. From here you will get x. Please pause and copy, children. See, S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements. Number of elements in S is 21. Number of element T is 32. And S and T both have 11 elements. And S intersection T, both, they have 11 elements. So what are number of elements of S union to T? Very easy, children. Again and again the same thing is coming. S and T, intersection is given 11 here. S has got 21 elements, 11 gone, so this will be 10 over here. T has got 32 elements, 11 gone, how much will remain? 21. Total will be N, that is 10 plus 11 plus 21. How much? In a group of 70 people, so that means there are 70 people in a group, that is NU. 37 like coffee. Coffee is liked by 37 people. 52 like tea. And each person likes at least one of the two drinks. So that becomes C union T. Because there is no person outside C and T, means every person is taking at least one drink. So nobody is outside coffee and tea. 0, therefore U becomes C union T for us, as we have been discussing. How many like both? How many like both? Again, children, very easy. We make a Venn diagram. This is 1, this is 2, C and T. Intersection is supposing X. C has got 37 elements, X here, so this remains 37 minus X. T has got 52 elements, so here 52 minus X. And sum of these three, 37 minus X plus 52 minus X, that is how much? 70. From here I get X. Then, in a group of 65 people, 60 like cricket. So there is a group of 65 people. 60 like cricket, 40 like cricket, 10 like both. Acha, it's like cricket and tennis. Okay. So both like cricket and tennis. C intersection T, that is 10. How many like only tennis but not cricket? So we want tennis but not cricket. So T intersection C dash. How many like tennis? And T is how much? So very easy, children, please see. This is cricket and tennis. Again, we should be given that everybody plays at least one game. So this is N C union T. Understanding that. So see, C intersection T has got 10 elements. C has got 40, so here there will be 30. And total are 65 because 0 elements outside. Nobody is there who neither plays cricket nor tennis. Everybody plays at least one game, we assume. So if there are X elements over here, so we know that 30 plus 10 plus X will be total how much? 65. From here I come to know X is 25. So this will be 25. So T intersection C dash, this region. Only tennis. This is only cricket. Tennis means this total. 25 plus 10, 35. Please pause and copy, children. See, in a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish. The number of people speaking French is 50, number of people speaking Spanish is 20, and 10 speak both. So S intersection F, speaking both, that is 10. How many speak at least one of the two languages? At least one means S union F. At least one means one or two, that means S union F. This we want. Let us draw the diagram. S and F. interaction is 10. As 20 people, so 10 will be over here. Friends 50 people, so 40 people over here. So what will be N S union F? 10 plus 40, that is how much? 60. 60 people are there who speak at least one language. So this is the end of this exercise, children. In the next video, we will take up the miscellaneous exercise. Thank you, children. God bless you.